Hello, friends. Today we are going to learn about different ingredients and their chemical meaning. Exactly, we know that there is a various types of inorganic compounds which shares lots of things like different ingredients which Tolls talks about a different first we are going to take a name of aqua. Aqua is a structure. It is in a common sense we are calling it as water, and it is its chemical formula and called water, and it is a solvent. Actually, we know that. Okay. Secondly, we are going to know about a second thing, that is sodium laureth sulfate. Okay. What does it mean? It's a chemical formula is a C12H25, then it's a O, then it's a structure like this: 1 2 3 4. Okay, and there is oxygen with a sodium sulfate typically. N is equal to 3. Here we'll call the, यहाँ 3 लगता है, दैट्स कॉल्ड. ये जनरली हम लोग को देखने को मिल जाता है डिटर्जेंट्स में. ओके, नाउ वी गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट, दैट इज अ कोका एमाइड DEA. That is we are going to know about it. Its a chemical formula is a C11 H23, and is like this. Here is a double bond of oxygen and N, and like this structure here, 1 2 3 4 structure with the OH group, and here it's like a compound like OH. It is a foaming agent. It's a use like a foaming agent. Okay, next we are going to know about a citrus medica. Citrus medica is a limonene peel oil, same को मिलता है, and it is like structure is like a benzene, having a benzene ring with and having a double bond like this, and here is a structure it's a inner structure like this. Okay, is alpha, in a chemical name is alpha P9. Okay, and mainly it is used in a scent. Scent में यूज़ होता है एक्चुअली परफ्यूम्स. ओके, now we are going to next we know about Melaleuca. Okay, Melaleuca is obtained from Alternifolia leaf. Okay, and it's like a terpen. It's like a structure like 1 2 3. It's a 4 5 and 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now it's a OH group. It is attached like, and this is a structure, zigzag structure. We are going to understand what the structures only in the next chapter, but here we are only dealing with this. Okay, terpene 4-ol. Okay, is a terpenyl 4-ol. Okay, it is also used in a scent. Okay, next we are going to understand the structure of a glycerin. What's a glycerin? Here's this glycerin, and structure is like a C11 H24. It's a structure like this, and N with a structure like zigzag structure, N plus positive, and here is a structure like this with the oxygen. here is oxygen minus, and we call as double bond of oxygen. It is also used in a detergent. Okay, and detergent and anti electrostatic होता है ये, that means in anti electrostatic it means it is a not a electrostatic. Okay, now we're going to see about the lactic acid. Lactic acid, its structure is like having this type of structure with the having OH CO2 H structure, and it is used as acid fire. Okay, now we are going to use next structures like we all know about the sodium chloride. We know sodium chloride, its structure is like NaCl, and control solubility of NaCl, solubility को control करता है. Here we are so many structures, and next we are going to upgrade these structures, more structures about that, and different ingredients we are using to in the chemical with their chemical meaning. Okay, here we understand it's a part 1, and part 2 will be discussed in after this. So thank you, and please share, keep share, and please subscribe and give your comments for this. Thank you for watching.